is Bhaiya account, sir.
Yes.
Sir, but one pop-up it is showing BOQ bidding is not available for items for which regular categories are already available on Jump. Like that it is showing.
That is okay. It will anyhow show it, no?
सो दोस्तों, अगर अभी तक आपने हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो प्लीज सब्सक्राइब पे क्लिक करके सब्सक्राइब कर लें और बेल आइकन में प्रेस करके ऑल पे नोटिफिकेशंस को सेट कर लें ताकि टाइम टू टाइम आपको हमारे वीडियो के बारे में इंफॉर्मेशन मिलती रहे। और अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आ रहा है जो मैंने आपको शेयर किया है अभी आप जो देख रहे हैं तो उसको लाइक जरूर करें। थैंक यू वेरी मच।
All in one PC.
By the way, we have two ways. One is BOQ and the another is custom bid. So it's your choice completely whether you want to go for BOQ or this. What is the quantity you require for that?
2, sir.
2 quantity. Where does it go? Downloads?
Sir, download 1 minute, sir.
Whenever you save a file from this browser. PDF files. So we need to convert it line items. Okay, this is specification list. Do you have specification?
Specification, yeah, yes, sir.
Then upload this specification here on this. Please correct the consignee buyer 1 in uploaded file. Please correct consignee buyer 1 in the uploaded file. I guess it is not taking it. Please correct the consignee. I guess this is the consignee ID.
Yeah, yes, sir. User ID.
Yes. Let's go ahead then. In the attest file we made 2 quantity, right? No, not on that PDF. On that.
Yes, sir. One is consignee and then another thing is a 2 file downloaded.
No. 2 quantity I am talking about. We have put that 2 quantity, right?
No, sir. 1, sir.
You need 1 quantity or 2 quantity?
1.
Okay, 1. Okay, I thought that you require 2 quantity. It's not working again, I guess. You are using Wi-Fi or you are using mobile itself
No,
for
sir,
connection?
LAN network, sir. LAN connectivity.
It's not working. It's getting hang again and again.
Again it is hanging.
Let me disconnect it again. We need to change delivery.
How many days, sir?
15 days. It's asking 15 days. Yeah, 3 days option is not coming.
There is option not coming.
No, it won't come in BOQ or custom bid. In BOQ and custom bid, it won't come.
Customer within 3 to 4 days I will complete this process.
System लिख देते हैं. System would be correct. Okay.
Okay.
Do you want to put any other terms and condition on it?
No, sir. No.
You won't get any trouble with that. You need to apply. No. You need my assistant with that OTP, or you will be able to do it by own.
No, sir. Yeah, I will be doing it, sir. This last thing, sir. You almost completed.
Okay. Not an issue.
इसके अलावा पेड सर्विसेज के लिए कांटेक्ट करें 8120812811 पर। आपने जो समय दिया उसके लिए बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।